Kate here at WTI. Now, if you're a content creator or just want to be able to easily snap videos or pictures on the go, check out this travel selfie stick from ANXRE. Now, what I love about this it is not only a selfie stick, but it's also a tripod. That is the primary function that I use. I love that it extends really tall. All you have to do is pull and extend it all the way up. It goes up to 60 inches. So that's perfect if you want to set up a tripod to film a video or to take a selfie. You can also use it handheld, of course, just to be able to capture all of those moments at a little bit of a greater distance. It holds your phone nice and secure. It slides open here. It also comes with two little lights. So if you are using this in a close range, that's really great to light your face. They're rechargeable. It comes with a charger. It also has a remote that attaches right to the selfie stick. I love that so that I don't lose it. But then when you do need it, you want to go a little bit of a distance away and snap a picture. It's easy to do. You can fully adjust the angle on this. The tripod is stable. Obviously, it is lightweight, so it's not made for super heavy winds, but it is secure. It does stand nicely in place on its own. The best part is how compact it is. It folds right down. You can throw it in your purse. Very easy to travel with, which I super appreciate. So if you're looking to easily grab content on the go, you need something that is really portable. I think you'll be very impressed with this one, and that's my point of view.